So here we have an automation line that we designed, I would say, our best thinking about a decade ago. This is a high volume critical component used as a safety device for the HVAC industry. This is what protects you and your family from getting carbon monoxide poisoning before you call for heat on a winter day. This is actually the first product we brought here to Costa Rica almost 25 years ago, but back then it looked a lot like you see down there, a lot of bodies making parts. As we got into the lab, this next generation, we designed it knowing that we had grown our automation capabilities to build a zero-person assembly line. What you see here are about 12 components coming together, fully automated. The old way, we had about 120 people making about 8 million parts. Here we have zero doing the same thing, okay? What's interesting, this was all built by us. Everything you see here. There's a lot of things that worked well, a couple of things that we learned that helped advance the art. When we came down here, if you look over here, a lot of this technology was what we call up, over, down, linear drives, linear slides. Very effective, very finicky. Problem is, it's not very nuanced. It doesn't lend itself to feel, to touch. It's kind of Frankenstein assembly. So what we're seeing here is actually a digital replication of what the humans were doing, which is basically using their hand to smooth out that diaphragm prior to assembly. So effectively, it's one big knuckle or one big palm that's just doing exactly what the humans do. Ever since we did that, haven't had a single failure nor escaped the client. Between these two breakthroughs is where we really said, aha, there's something here about the next evolution of robotics, which is human-inspired robotics, or as we like to call it, Hubotics.